Hello everyone and welcome back to another ZanoList video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use Matrix Messenger with your Zano Alias. So this basically means that you can use your Zano Alias as your username in Matrix Messenger. So first of all, what is Matrix? Matrix is a decentralized messaging app that fully supports end-to-end encryption, perfect for Zano and privacy users. So let's get started to set this up. So make sure you have the Zano desktop app and of course an alias. This will be your username in Matrix. Next, go into the settings of your Zano wallet and make sure Zano Companion is turned on here. You can download the Zano Companion app from the Chrome store and it also works in Brave. Okay, now head over to messenger.zano.org, click Connect Wallet. As you can see, this is the alias I'm going to connect at subscribe. Click Accept. Then what I can do is sign up to Zano Matrix. And all I have to do is enter a password. Then I'm going to click sign up. So there we go. As you can see, I now have my username here at subscribe. And then all I have to do now is download a Matrix client. So head on over to matrix.org, go to Ecosystem, Clients, then download one of these clients. I recommend Element. Once that's downloaded and installed, simply tick sign in. Now I need to change the home server. Click edit and then type it zano.org. Click continue. Now enter your alias from Zano wallet. Client is subscribe, then enter the password that we did earlier. And there you go. As you can see, we now have Matrix set up successfully. You can see my username here, and I'm on the zano.org network. Thank you guys for watching this video, and a like would be appreciated. Thank you guys, and have a great day.